To get started designing your new cabinets, all we need is a simple drawing of your kitchen. Watch this short video to learn how easy it is to measure your kitchen and make a simple design drawing. Step 1. Draw the basic shape of your kitchen. The ratios don't have to be exact. We just need a basic layout of where all the walls are that you think will need cabinets. Be sure to indicate all major structural features of your kitchen. Step 2. Add any doors, windows, or other obstacles that will affect where your cabinets can be installed. Step 3. Label all major areas of your kitchen. In this example, we'll use the letters A through J to indicate each area. Then, make a key off to the side with each letter. Step 4. Measure each area that you've labeled in your drawing. Just grab any normal tape measure and measure each area from end to end. The measurements don't need to be exact, so feel free to round to the nearest inch. Remember, this is just to get your design started, and your designer will take exact measurements later. Step 5. Sketch out the basic design of your kitchen. Most people already have a pretty good idea of where they want things to go in their kitchen, so feel free to draw in basic appliances like your stove, sink, and your fridge. And finally, Step 6. Take pictures. It can be extremely helpful for your designer to have some good photos of your kitchen. So if you're able, please take a few photos of your kitchen and send them along with your designs. And that's it. It's that easy. All that's left to do is take a picture of your drawing and send it to your designer. And remember, if you have any questions or need help getting started, just give us a call or send us an email. We're always happy to help.